Can you talk about the life cycle of water in some of these AI factories?
Yeah.
This is what the
Yeah.
media has implied is that like every time you make a cute Studio Ghibli image, you're like dumping a gallon of water.
The way we've designed our AI factories is what's called a closed loop architecture. So that means basically you have cold water that flows into the rack and it flows over the chip. So through this copper pipe, and you have this heat exchange between the silicon through the copper and then to the water, and then hot water sort of exhausted from the rack. That hot water then goes out to a heat exchanger that's a chiller that's
Yeah.
outside. You can kind of think of it as like a massive maze of copper pipe, and then you like blow air over it. You try to blow cold air over it, and then the heat basically gets exhausted out of the water, and then you basically have cold water from that then feeds right back into the system. So
Yeah, and I
what
think
we have
people
1
certain
million gallons of water per building. We only fill it one time, right? It's
Wow.
not like we're using a
yeah,
million
and
gallons
Yeah,
per
yeah,
hour.
yeah.
Our
scale even a
architectures
million.
that are open loop,
Sure.
where basically you have a fresh water supply, and
Yeah.
that is, you are consuming a shitload of water in that scenario. But in our case, we've designed it with a closed loop architecture that, is like you fill it one time, then you're done.